Okay, guys, so we got the easy part out of the way, and then our next letter is H, but this got really tricky because I have three H's. How do I know which one comes first? So I'm going to look at the second letter. So I have H, H, H. Now I'm going to look at the second letter. I have H, A, H, A, H, O. So I know H, O is out. That's going to be the last one. But now I have two H, A's, and I don't know what to do. So then I'm going to look at, what should I look at next, do you think? The third letter. So this one has H-A-T, and this one has H-A-R. Now, even though this has more letters, the R comes before the T when you say the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So this is going to be my next word on my alphabetical paper. So I'm going to write harp, my H starting from the top, and I'm going to let you do the rest of the paper by yourself. So harp is now done. So you'll go to these ones, which we talked about which one will come next because we look at HA or HO. And then you'll continue to go out through the alphabet. So at the end of this recording, I will show you the answers. You work on it for a little bit. Okay, so I hope you paused the video, and if you haven't paused it, pause it now because I'm going to show you the answers so you can check them. So I'll give you a minute to push pause, and then you can check your work in 3, 2, 1. This is what your paper should look like. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. I love you guys.